So, Huawei just can't stop with foldables, and honestly, I'm here for it. They just wrapped up the Huawei Mate X-T's launch, but apparently that's only the beginning. The company has at least 2 more foldable devices lined up for this year, and the leaks are already spoiling some interesting details. So first up, we all know about the Huawei Mate X7, Huawei's next flagship foldable that's expected to launch alongside the Huawei Mate 80 series in November. That's once going to pack top-tier specs, no surprise there, but here's where things get more exciting. Huawei is also preparing a brand new calmshell foldable. Yep, after the Huawei Pura X earlier this year, they are now working on another model that could either be a mid-range Pura foldable or even the long-rumored Nova Flip 2. The leaks mention 2 new foldable categories, a small phone, which might fall under the Enjoy lineup, and a widescreen model that's basically like a bigger Pura X. The widescreen foldable in particular is tipped to bring an upgraded current chipset and a new camera sensor with improved color accuracy. Now, nothing is confirmed yet. Huawei hasn't officially mentioned any of these models, but the roadmap is pretty much clear. 1 premium foldable, 1 calmshell, and maybe even a mid-range option for the people who don't want to spend flagship money. If this plays out, Huawei could become the only brand offering foldables at almost every price point in a single year. That's a huge deal, especially with Samsung and others sticking mostly to the premium segment. So what do you think about it? Would you buy a more affordable Huawei foldable if they launched one? Or are you only into the high-end Mate X and the Pura series? Share your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will keep you guys posted in the next one. Peace out.